2018. This is my first video of the new year. Wasn't going to make a video today. I was going to take a day off, but I'm having company for New Year's Day dinner, and I was making this yummy bread anyway, so I thought, why not show you how to make it? It's so good. I think you're going to love it. And I'm going to get started right now. Are you ready, cameraman?
I'm ready.
Did you have a good New Year, cameraman?
Yes, I stayed up past 12 midnight.
I know, that was tough for you, right?
Very tough.
All right, well, what we're going to make today is my easy, peasy, cheesy onion bread. It's delicious and it's easy. You've had this before, cameraman, right?
I guess so.
You don't remember?
Yeah, I remember. It's excellent.
He's tired from last night. Don't pay any attention to him. So let's get started. First thing you're going to need is a loaf, like this, like a baseball bat. You're going to need a loaf of either Italian or French bread. So you don't even have to bake the bread. Just buy it. This is a French loaf. What you're going to do then is you're going to cut the bread into probably about, I don't know, into slices, maybe 2-inch slices, but you're not ooh, dangerous, Diva. You're not going to cut the bread all the way through. You're just going to cut it just 3/4 of the way down, so I'm dangerous with this knife, so it doesn't cut the bread through to the end. So this is what I'm going to do. Very easy. Smells good. Everybody like bread? I like bread. All right, so I'm going to get these all cut through. I would do them off camera, but I have to show you what to do next, so I can't. So I'm cutting this, whoopsie, as quickly as I can. Almost done. Whoopsie. Okay. All right. So I cut the slices, not all the way through. Now we're going to use Swiss cheese slices for this bread. So what you want to do is you want to separate, I don't know if you can see, separate your pieces. And you're going to take a piece of sliced Swiss cheese and you're going to put it into those openings. So I'm going to push them down in there. Okay. So you can see what I'm doing here with the Swiss cheese, right? I'm putting the Swiss cheese into each of the slices. So I'm going to finish doing the loaf and then I'll be right back to show you what we do next. As you can see, I slit the pieces, not all the way through, and I put a piece of Swiss cheese in between each of the slits. Now, what I'm going to do next is I'm going to take an envelope of Lipton's dried onion soup mix. And I'm sure you've all had this before. You're going to take the onion soup mix and you're going to sprinkle it in between each of the slices with the Swiss cheese, and you're going to sprinkle some on top too. So it's really easy to do. I'm just going to sprinkle it in there, and I'm just going to fill all the slices with the onion soup mix. This is so good. And then I'm going to sprinkle it on top. Now, you'll see I have 2 loaves here because since I used French bread, which is a lot longer, I decided to make 2 loaves. If you use Italian bread, it's usually shorter, and just use the 1 loaf. So let me finish sprinkling all of this Lipton onion soup mix in between all the slices and along the top, and then I'll show you what we do next. All right, what I did now is I took a stick of butter and I melted it in my microwave. And what you want to do is you want to pour a little bit of the butter in between each of the slices, and then you want to put some on the top. So I'm going to start doing that now. This is so delicious. Between the bread, the Swiss cheese, the onions. You bake this in the oven, it's outrageous. All right, and then I'm going to, I have a brush. You can pour it on the top, or you can just kind of dab it on the top like this. You don't want to brush it too hard because you did put onion soup on the top, and then you don't want to brush it off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to continue to put my butter in between each of the slices. I'm going to dab my butter along the top, and then I'm going to double wrap each of these loaves with aluminum foil. You want to double wrap them really good. I'm going to put them on a cookie sheet, and I'm going to put them in the oven at 350 degrees for 30 minutes. Then I'll take them out and be ready for the angels to sing. So I'll see you when they come out of the oven. The bread just came out of the oven. Oh, it smells divine. The roast beef just came out of the oven. I made the salad. The company arrived, but my poor little baby grandson Lucas is feeling a little sick. Right, Lucas?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think he's going to sleep at Grandma's tonight, right? Yeah? All right, so here's the bread. Like I told you, I double foiled it. Oh, does this smell good? I have my little pot holders on. And let me get this open. It's nice and hot. Let's see what this looks. Oh, heavenly. Heavenly. Ooh, smells so good. Let's unwrap it. That looks yummy. Let me see if I can hold it up for everybody. I don't know. See if the cameraman can get a little shot of that. And I would say give it a try because it's delicious with the melted butter and the cheese, the bread, the onion soup mix. Woo-hoo-hoo. So everybody, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. I want everyone to have a very happy and healthy and prosperous new year. And I will see you next time. Toodles!